Catherine and Joe from Hot Tub Master with you today to show you the reasons why you would want a cover lifter with your hot tub. Joe is going to show you what we mean with this spa model. Go ahead, Joe. First show them how it's not the easiest thing to do on your own without any help. More difficult than it needs to be. Now, if I could just ask Joe to put it back on. So, Joe is struggling a bit, and this is due to the size and shape more than the weight. A cover itself is generally not very heavy, but if it's windy, we don't have much room. Or, if you're still in your swimming gear and getting cold, it can be tricky. Joe, if you could just pop the cover lifter back down so we can see how much it helps. Our cover lifter is attached to the side of your spa securely and hang your cover neatly at the side. The main benefits of having one of these with your cover is that it prevents scuffs and damage to the cover when moving it around, and it will stop any dirt that would have gotten onto your cover when propped at the side or on the floor getting into your water too. Quick and easy.